What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, the fun day of unloading. We have, it was raining earlier and I said, oh, we won't do it, and then I met Grant down here and we was like, oh fuck, let's just smash it out. So yeah, we've unloaded the golf cart, we've unloaded the tyres off one trailer, and we're about to unload my car, the other set of tyres, and just kind of get everything back in the workshop. It's yeah, I thought fuck it, it's like raining a little bit, but hey, we're gonna get wet anyway, we're gonna make a mess, so we might as well just do it. We're gonna pull my 13 apart a little bit, water blast it, give it a good clean, and then we're gonna park it up for a while. So yeah, we thought we'll just smash it out. Grant's the man and he's keen. So the others don't even know we're here, so it's all good. I don't expect them to be here. But yeah, we're out here, we're gonna get it done, and yeah, just get right after it. This thing took a beating on the weekend. Like, it lost this guard. So what happened is we're running 265s obviously, and the tyres were hitting the guard, but yeah, it snapped this whole panel off. We went into the kitty litter a couple times. It's so dirty. Yeah, but to be fair, not too much damage. Like, that guard broke in half. This guard took a hiding because the poke on the wheels, like, it's just chewed out all the parts of the, this is getting there, like it's pretty much broken all the way through. So yeah, I'm actually going to leave the guards, the rear guards on, they can stay there, because we ended up just roof ticking it on to hold it on. But yeah, it took a fucking hiding, it was unbelievable. But yeah, everything in here is so filthy, but yeah, I loved it. Look at the, okay, so this is meant to say KR20A, and it doesn't, pretty much, because look at the roll from, like, when I was going into the dipper, the hairpin over the hill, it was I was just trying to go as backwards as I could, and like, yeah, you're on full lock and it's just like rolling over. But yeah, look at the tyre, it's like lost its sidewall, it lost the writing. But yeah, other than that, the indicator fell out, but we got that back, it's still fine. That damage was already there. Yeah, not too much damage, but just got filthy, thrashed. But we're going to take the boot off and then kind of clean everything underneath as well. And like, yeah, it's so bad down here. Look at it.
Dirt drop Maxwell.
Yeah, that's me, boy. Dirt drop Maxwell. We're out there. But it was sick. I love it. Look at the rubber. It's just building up in here. We're on. That was sick. Such a good weekend. So yeah, give this thing a spruce up and we'll park it up. And with a quick bit of soap and a sponge, we just gave it a quick once over. Like, it's not flash at all, but you can tell like everything in here looks nice and clean again. Yeah, everything's good. We need to push it inside now and just let it try and let it dry, or probably come back tomorrow and put a cover over it. But yeah, quick little wash. It definitely deserves it and definitely needs it. Bits of rubber on the ground here, but one day we will strip it all down again and do the whole build again, but for now, time to just, yeah, piece it all back together quickly and push it inside, and that'll be us for this car for a bit, and then we'll move one of the sefs out and pull that out and then kind of rearrange some things inside. But yeah, Grant's a legend, get it all sorted, making it look good. Got our One Word Glove Company stickers on there now, so yeah, that's sick. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so we've got the cars all inside. It's started raining again outside, so close the doors. It's nice and kind of quiet in here at the moment. But yeah, we've got the Laurel in here. We've got the 13 parked up over here. It is wet, so at the moment it's just open, but tomorrow we'll come down and put a cover over it. So it's nice and clean and can stay that way, not like the Steph where it's all dusty. Yeah, we've got Steph's 13 here. Someone bought the wheels, the CSTs off it, so we just got it sitting here for now. But yeah, Laurel didn't need a wash because it didn't get used, which is mint. We need to just find a place to park that for now. But we have the Ceph here. And I don't think I've actually told you guys, but we ended up purchasing this off Marshall. Obviously the running gear and stuff was mine, yeah, we ended up purchasing the body off Marsh because it was easier for him to be able to move it to his new workshop and stuff like that, which is sick. So he was able to move forward, and then we ended up with this car. So it's not like there's not that there ever would be, I wouldn't think, ever, but or any dramas of who's a what or whatever. Not that I really cared, but yeah, we now own 100% of this car, so it is ours to do as we please, which is the same as what we were going to do anyway. But yeah, we've moved it over here, and I really want to crack into it. There is a bit of bog work still needs to be done. The roof is mainly done. Marsh did a lot of that with Brett, but now, but yeah, it's just the bits like this, the bog needs to be ground down, and yeah, kind of taken back and then kind of bog back up again, and hopefully it just doesn't do that again. But yeah, needs a bit of work, body work and whatnot, but yeah, we're going to try and yeah, pump it out, and yeah, just kind of have it as our project this summer. But for now, we've got all these tyres and rims here that I'm going to strip all the old tyres off, the used ones, purely so we can get them outside and they can go away, and then we can clean all the rims up and just stack them away, because yeah, we won't need them for a while, or we might just wrap them in some 235s over here potentially. That might be a better idea, so that we can use them whenever we're ready. Yeah, it's gonna be good. But yeah, Grant's still here helping me out. It's fucking massive because motivation is not too bad tonight, so we're trying to keep going. But yeah, got some fresh one-word gloves on, the Jimmy Oaks ones. So yeah, Grant's got a set on as well. So we're yeah, gonna get this little machine and this little compressor. I gave Marsh my big compressor that my dad gave me, so he could do his paintings and stuff. And then we decided to buy a tire machine, so we've got Marsh's little one. It works all good. It's just a bit of time and it takes a little while and whatnot, but it's all good because we're very inexperienced. But it's good. We'll make it work. Yeah, so we've got a lot to do. We'll see how far we get. It's not too late at the moment, but it is very time consuming doing this, so we'll see how we get on. So, silly me, just as we were finishing that clip, Grant's like, bro, where are the tyre levers? Oh, they're not in the machine, because we had them at Russell Vere's the other day at RPM Fabrication the night before Summer Bash, because we were doing all his tyres, and I just needed one more lever, so we brought both down, so we had extras and shit, because we were having a bit of a time with his tyres. So that's annoying, but all good. We rang Dana, she's getting out of bed, perfect. Grant's got brought us in some office paper, the essentials, the office paper, yeah, he's going to go to Dana's, grab the key so he can go to RPM and grab the tyre levers that we need. So yeah, I'm going to crack into cracking all the beads off and stuff now, and see how far we can get. Fuck, what a major. Let's go. Sweet, so we're about halfway done, and it's getting bloody hot and sweaty, so we rigged up a couple fans here, make it a bit less sweaty. But yeah, we've got, I don't know, about half done, maybe a little less. But yeah, I'm pumping through it. It's yeah, and it's good to have Grant here, because I just need that extra little help to get the tire up on the second on the second lip to get it off. So yeah, it's making it way easier. The little machine's cranking, the compressor is hot as shit, and pumping the tonnage. So yeah, let's keep going. And like that, it's the next day, and it's 7 o'clock. I went home after work, had dinner and stuff, the fry came down because I was like, oh sweet, haven't heard from the boys, no worries, I'll come down here by myself. But I get here, and Grant's over here working on the Ford, but he's already washed all the wheels. Like, that's why I was like, I'm coming down here because it's raining at home. I was like, I'll come down here quickly, wash them, and then I can get into fitting them. But the bro has smashed it and washed them already. So what a fucking legend. So he's over there fixing his car, and then yeah, right, time to yeah, spark up and gonna fit. You can hear the rain falling on the roof now. So yeah, I'm just gonna fit all these second-hand or scrubbed up tyres onto all of these and get them ready to be used. Cool, so we have managed to fit all of the tyres up. So we just fitted them all up, and then we were going to, you know, put air in them. But we got through the 265 semis, the 265 radials, and then we got to the 235 on a 10.5, and without a bead blaster, it just doesn't work. So, and we don't have links or anything that's like flammable or like explosive enough, because it's more like, yeah, it needs to have a bang rather than burning. So yeah, oh well. Anyway guys, we're going to head off. My battery's about to die, so yeah, and the video from the weekend's about to drop, so I'm going to go home and watch that. Thanks to Leo for editing that. Thanks heaps for watching. Thanks to Grant for being here and giving me a hand. And yeah, look forward to the you know, next few videos. Get into the surf and yeah, we'll just see what we get up to. So yeah, thanks heaps guys. Please make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.